Welcome to PeopleTools Tech Tips. I'm Randy Groncki. This is part 8 of our Building Insights series. Today we're going to create the dashboards. A little housekeeping before we start. As part 8 of our series on creating Insights dashboards, I assume you have already created the 4 metric visualizations in part 7 available here. As always, all the PeopleTools and Insights objects created in this demo are available on PeopleToolsTechTips.com and our GitHub site, PeopleTools Tech Tips. Look for the links below to review other videos in the series and these objects. Or just sit back, relax, and absorb creating an Insights dashboard. So, what is an Insights dashboard really? An Insights dashboard is simply a container for one or more visualizations. It controls how visualizations are arranged and seen. It also links all the visualizations it contains. When you apply a filter to one visualization, for example, clicking on a pie slice, it applies that filter to all visualizations on the dashboard. The dashboard seamlessly integrating and coordinating all of its visualizations is the true analytical power of PeopleSoft Insights. Here's a quick analogy. An Insights dashboard is like a big green Lego base plate. By itself, not very interesting. The Lego bricks are the visualizations. They contain all the fun, but they can't do much by themselves. Building something with those bricks on the base plate brings structure, organization, and larger meaning. You can arrange the bricks on the base however you want. But any way you move that base plate, those bricks move with it. Turn the base plate around, the bricks turn with it. Here's an interesting point. Dashboards are the only Insights objects that PeopleSoft can reference. PeopleSoft cannot directly reference any visualizations. PeopleSoft uses Insights dashboards. Those Insights dashboards contain visualizations, but PeopleSoft has no idea about the visualizations on the dashboard, just a dashboard. Let's create our first dashboard. This will be a one visualization dashboard to be used on a PeopleSoft homepage tile. This tile will link to a larger dashboard. Navigate to the Insights homepage, then to Dashboards. Click the Create Dashboard button. Click the Add an Existing link. Start typing our visualization name and find our simple metric that counts all documents. Select it and we see the visualization appear on the dashboard behind the dialog box. Close the Add Panels dialog box. This is our first dashboard. It contains one visualization, a metric. This is the minimum we need for an Insights dashboard. Use the size control in the bottom right corner of the metric. Resize the box smaller. Click the configuration control at the top right corner of the metric and choose Edit Panel Title. Uncheck the Show Panel Title box. We don't need a title for this visualization. Click Save on the Customization panel. Save the dashboard by clicking the Save link at the top right of the dashboard. Name the dashboard something descriptive and meaningful. Generally, I name the dashboard after the primary index pattern and its purpose. Click Save. We have built our first Insights dashboard. Now that we know the basics to create a simple dashboard, let's create a more complex dashboard with multiple visualizations. This will demonstrate arranging, sizing, and titles. Click the dashboard link to get back to the dashboard's homepage, and then click the Create Dashboard button. Click that Add an Existing or New Object link. Start typing our visualization name and find our metrics we created in episode 7. Click on each of the visualizations one at a time. They are added to the dashboard behind the dialog box. Close the dialog box. We see all 4 of our visualizations displayed on the dashboard in the order we selected them. Save the dashboard with a descriptive name. Click the Edit box in the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard to put the dashboard into edit mode. Use the size control in the bottom right corner of any visualization to adjust the size of the metric. Use the visualization's title bar to drag and drop the metric to the desired location. The other visualizations will move out of the way. Click the configuration control in the top right corner of the metric and choose Edit Panel Title. Turn the titles on or off for each visualization. The default title is the visualization object name. Type something a little bit more user-friendly. Save the dashboard changes. We've completed our main dashboard. Let's fix that awkward 4 decimal places on the average metrics. Navigate to Dashboards Management, select Index Patterns, find our index pattern from the list, find the course duration numeric field, edit the format to show only 1 decimal place. Save field, and let's go back to our dashboard. Now the average course length displayed only show 1 decimal place. Creating the dashboards themselves is simple. Add the visualization to a dashboard, drag and drop where you want them, resize them, edit or turn off the title. The harder task is arranging the dashboard visualizations in the best way to convey the story the data is trying to tell. That will take time and practice. In our next episode, we'll return to PeopleSoft and import and configure these dashboards and make them available to the users. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you next time here on PeopleTools Tech Tips.